Unused lands are getting a second life for food, livelihoods, and growth. The Ministry of Agriculture has partnered with the National Housing Trust (NHT) to unlock hundreds of acres across the island for farming.
Under that MOU, we have gotten land in Dundee, Trelawney, Park Buckle Wharf in Hanover, and Dundee is 300 acres, Hanover is 119 acres, Alligator Pond 30 acres, Unity in St. Mary 698 acres.
Unused government-owned land is also being handed over for agricultural use.
We have gone to the NLA and we have said where we see lands that are government-owned, that are being occupied by farmers, let us manage it. Under that project, we have gotten Harmony Hall in St. Anne, 1,600 acres, and we have already regularized 55 farmers who now have leases to work on that land. We have also gotten some land in Portland, New Pen in St. Mary, 850 acres. We have received about 3,000 acres under these programs. But we're also expanding our agro parks.
Jamaica is ramping up its agro-park network to drive production and job creation. The Parnassus Agro Park in Clarendon has opened, with leases already granted to youth, women, and long-time land users. The Litford Agro Park in St. Anne is to be a 670-acre climate-smart space designed for small and medium farmers.
This agro park will be served as a model for sustainable agribusiness, employing climate-smart practices, as well as medium and small farmers. One of the things that we have earmarked as a ministry is that we want to ensure that every parish has an agro park.
To inspire a new generation of farmers, the ministry has launched the Agro Park Youth Startup Program.
Youth lease rates for our new agro parks will be cut in half for the first 2 years of operation. Additionally, regular persons have to show 70% of their capital investment. For youth under this program, they will only be called upon to show 35% of the capital investment to be able to start. But it gets better. For the first year of operation, we will provide the youth under this program with free land preparation for up to 2 acres. And we will give them free seeds. We are securing the future of fisheries.
To drive production in fisheries, a 200-acre aquaculture park in Mitchelltown, Clarendon will soon become the Caribbean's aquaculture training center. The focus: tilapia, sea moss, and oysters.
We're going to be training the rest of the region right here in Jamaica in aquaculture.
From idle lands to empowered farmers, from sea to soil, Jamaica's agricultural revolution is in motion.